Day 12 of our adventure takes us from Vanderhoof across Highway 16 to Prince George and then down 97 to 100 Mile House, but not without some tire troubles. Day 12 started out cool and cloudy with occasional spit of rain. Roads and traffic were good all the way into Prince George, our first fuel stop. After fueling up and a breakfast stop in Prince George, we headed south on Highway 97 towards home. Highway 97 follows along the east bank of the mighty Fraser River, almost all the way to 100 Mile House, our destination for the day. Just after refueling in Williams Lake, Brian noticed his rear tire was looking a little worse for wear. I knew of a tire shop just up the hill, so we pulled in and asked permission to do a tire change in the parking lot. Brian had brought along a spare, in Neil's trailer, but he forgot to bring the tools necessary to do the job. So here we are in Williams Lake, and as a last check, Brian decided to have a look at his rear tire. And she's bald with some nylon showing. But here we are at 150 Mile House, top of the hill, and there's a tire shop, and they loaned us some spoons, so we're gonna do her. Change the tire. Niels has got a brand new one in the back. Meanwhile, over here in the Fog Ducker trailer, we have the rescue tire.
Oh, I got the wrong one.
Oh no!
Oh, Brian, put it back on. Is this his? I guess
No, that's the front.
Oh,
that's a front tire for a Goldwing.
oh, is it? Okay.
That's the Michelin there.
Okay. I'm not used to looking at his rear, so I'm not sure. People will talk, you know.
It looks.
We even got light bulbs.
It looks used too.
It'll do the trick.
But it'll do the trick.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the old tire off. I forgot to turn the camera back on, but oh yeah, it's pretty thin.
That would have gone. There's nothing underneath.
Nothing there.
Let's just redo the tire.
Yeah. So.
Holy shit, there's not much there. Eh?
No.
So the nice guys here at the tire shop.
We'll recommend the shop on our website.
Now have some experience on a motorcycle tire. Oh, I heard it. I heard the bead pop. And we're gonna let the air out of it now to put it on. But they're reseating another tire there. Takes a bit of work.
This one's all hands on deck. Yeah, boy.
And there it is. He's on. Let's go put Brian's tire back on.
Okay, now the fun begins again.
Might as well peel these wheel weights off because I certainly doubt they're in the right place.
A few minutes later.
So we're here at the 150 Mile Tire Service, and these guys lent us some tools to help Brian out with his bald tire on his BMW. But we're gonna go inside here and
Tell the guys the joke of the day.
it's time for Neil's joke of the day right here in the tire shop.
Oh boy.
Hit her, Niels.
So these two worms on the string walk into a bar, and the bartender spots the string right away, and he says, "Hey, we don't serve strings here. Get out of here. Take your two bums with you." So they're out wondering what they're going to do, and then, hey, let's take him in the back alley. They roll him in dirt, they tie him in a knot, and they take scissors and they poop up his hair like Bart Simpson. They walk back in the bar and sit down, and they order drinks. The bartender puts all the drinks down. He's looking at the string, and he says, "Are you sure you're not a string?" And he looks at him and says, "No, I'm afraid not." There you go.
Hey, we got to laugh. We got to laugh. We're good.
Tickle him, tickle him.
Okay. So we're 150 mile, one more day to go. Day, what are we? Day 12 of the sourdough run.